Hello and welcome to Data Source. Who's excited? I am. Today we'll be looking at the filter function, which helps us to filter data basically. In previous videos, we've looked at how to use the if function and and function to classify our density. We've also looked at how to use the query function to get the sum of our density, the count of our density, the average, based on the different classifications that we've had: low, moderate, extremely low, and all of that. So today we're going to use the filter function to see the countries that are in each of these classifications. So of course we can go here and say low density, there's China; moderate density, we can look at that from the columns, but you may not appreciate it if you don't separate them, like having the low density in one column, having the moderate density in another column, and different densities in different columns. So we're going to do that today. So first of all, I'm going to start with copying this. So these are the classifications. I'll just copy them and make them into a column. So I'll paste them, I'll paste special, then transpose. So this is the columns I want. So I'm going to use the filter function, and you know how we start our function. We start with equal to, and then I want filter, and then I click on filter, and the range I want. So this range is the value I want to get based on the condition, and the value I want to get is the A column. So I just put A. Alright, so I also want to do something. I want to put it in place so that it doesn't move if I shift this. So what this does is it ensures that if I drag this formula to the next column, nothing happens. So I'm looking at this A column. So from A to A, so that is the entire A column. And then the condition I want is that this C column, so I'll just put it there, C to C. Alright, I want that to be equals to this value here, extremely low. Alright, so I want this C to C to be equals to extremely low, and then I close the bracket, and I think that should do it. Yep. So now I have all the countries that have extremely low densities here, and then if I want the ones that have low density, since I've already dollared it or put it in place, I don't know, someone can tell me what that is in the comments. I just drag it over here, and now let's look at the formula. So it's from A to A that is giving me the values from, and then it's checking that this C column is equal to F1, which is low density. So all these countries now are the countries with low density: China, Indonesia, Nigeria. So I just drag it again, and moderate density. So I have the column A, which is the value is taken from. This is the value is taking the countries and giving it to me, but the condition is using is that this density classification is equal to this one, moderate density. So moderate density countries, India, Pakistan, Japan, and so on. So I also drag it again to high density countries. So South Korea, Taiwan, the Netherlands, and all these countries. So I've noticed something. This as it increases, it seems like these high density countries are smaller countries. Perhaps there's something to do. Taiwan is an island, South Korea is a small country, but they are actually quite rich countries as well. Oh, but Bangladesh is not so rich. But Hong Kong, Singapore, these are like small countries, enclaves. And so this is very high density now. So based on the classification, so this is very high density. C, where this density classification is equal to very high density. So there are how many countries here? 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Well, I counted that, but if I wanted to like count it using a formula, I can just use equals to count. So I want to count all values, so I want to count this, yeah, and then I just hit confirm. So yeah, 12 values. So now that's how that works. So yeah, if you want to check out how I do this classification, I'll put the link in the description. And yeah, this is how you can use the filter function to filter values. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. If you have any feedback, put it in the comment section. Yeah, have a great day. Bye.